Hi there, in today's video I'm going to be testing OLED display I bought on AliExpress for under $2. It took 3 months for this little thing to arrive from China, and now I'm really eager to crack on testing it. Now I need to solder a few pins. I'm really crap at soldering, but I think I did pretty good job. We go to project schematics. We have this OLED display. We are using OLED SPI display with an SSD1306 driver and Arduino Nano. Ground of OLED is connected to ground of Arduino, same with VCC. Clock is connected to pin 13, MOSI is connected to pin 11, Reset is connected to pin 8, DC is connected to pin 9, CS is connected to pin 10. Now we put the components on the breadboard and we can connect the wires. To start writing the code, you need to install the following 2 libraries. We can find those libraries in GitHub. We download the zip file, and that zip file can be later on installed in Arduino IDE. After installing libraries, we can check whether there are any sample programs for that display. We need to select the script for the right display resolution, which is 12832, and the type is SPI. In the sample code, the only thing we need to adjust is the wiring, so the pin assignment. When this is done, we can compile the code and send it to the Arduino board. Looks like the wiring was okay, and we can now see the demo presentation for that OLED display. Here we can see drawing texts, drawing lines, scrolling text, showing custom bitmaps and animations. Now this is all great, but I want to create my own program and do some custom stuff. So for starters, we are gonna remove from that sample script majority of the code, and we are gonna add few customize actions and see whether that is gonna work. We want to first draw a rectangular shape. Okay, so now we want to put a sample text in that rectangular. And at the end, we want to show two custom bitmaps. To be able to do it, we need to prepare them ahead of time in Paint, in black and white. To generate the code for the bitmaps, we go to the following URL. Here you can upload the bitmaps and generate the code, which you can copy paste into your program. Is a rectangular. Now we can see the text, and here are the two customized bitmaps. Everything worked perfectly. This is a really nice little display. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with it. My next video is gonna be about creating custom animations for that display. This is all for now. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.